Hey, what's going on, everybody? How's it going? John here with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Keeping your vibrations high up to the roof, to the sky. I'm out in nature in a different spot. Sitting on a rock. But yeah, my message today is nature is information, true information. So when you become one with nature, no distractions, you ground yourself, like you plant your feet into like the grass, soil, sand, or whatever, you will get true knowledge, you will get information. You have all the answers within, because we all come from nature. So once you plant your feet, you touch a tree, hug a tree, something, you literally get all that information. Fuck the news, fuck all that propaganda media, that's all fake. The true news and information lies within and out in nature. So connecting with nature, literally you got to get in a meditative state, no distractions, you leave all those distractions behind. And I'd say, like, if you're like in the beach or you just find yourself at like grassy or soil area, plant your feet, get really grounded and still. It's stillness and presence. And just connect with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, or the sun also. Just for like 10, 15, 30 minutes. Or just sit down on a rock like here. Just something. You will get information, you will get ideas. You'll feel more creative. The information is always live, has always, the true information has always been within us. It's always been in nature. That's why they try so hard to keep us in the house. The nature has always been the true information. It's always been true healing. Literally, nature can heal you. Stuff from nature, anything from nature can heal you. Nature. Nature is our true medicine. That's where it all started. Nature. Like, I think back in the day, like when people were out in nature all the time, I feel like that's how they get their knowledge and their healing from nature. Because it all starts in nature. It always starts in nature. This is where you get your true, like literally, when you're in nature, like alone in nature, it literally reduces your anxiety, it reduces your depression. You just feel more alive. Like the sound of the water, like in my meditation that I made yesterday, like literally the soothing sound of the water being out in the sun. Look at that silver sun. Literally, you just feel more alive. You feel just lighter, like a big weight is lifted off of you when you put all the distractions of the world aside. Like literally, when you're so present and grounded in nature, you feel so like light as a feather. Like you feel like you're reborn, basically. Nature is key. Nature is true information. You will get so many good ideas. So much new information is downloads coming to you. But yeah, just want to give you that message, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.